I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by prepping loadout and testing the Gatekeeper's first attack rhythm. Equip a fast 1H weapon and a shield. This gives you stagger control and quick counters. Once done, use scouting runs at low risk to learn the dodge window, and when the Gatekeeper charges, make sure to note any audible cues. Keep 3 healing potions and 1 antidote handy to speed recovery. You'll open the fight on your terms, forcing short skirmishes and avoiding sustained trade-offs that favor the boss. You now commit to the middle of the fight using precise hit-and-run rotations. Strike twice, then back away 2 to 3 steps to bait the Gatekeeper's heavy swing and punish recovery. This prevents long combo damage. Once you recognize a mid-combo, parry selectively and follow with a shield bash to interrupt big finishers. Keep stamina above 30% so you always have an exit option. If you overcommit, reposition and heal. These measured exchanges wear him down while minimizing risk. You finish him by shifting to aggressive burst when the Gatekeeper drops to about 25% health. Chain full combos and apply stun items to prevent recovery. If his stagger chance is low, toss a Molotov or explosive to break his guard and create an opening. In case things go wrong, if you're pinned or out of heals, retreat, regenerate stamina, and reset the pattern. This preserves resources and prevents costly deaths. One key troubleshooting tip: if blocking fails, stop blocking and focus on timed dodges instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.